Step into the world of machines where today we proudly present the remarkable rotary snowplow train, a genuine hero, in the face of even the harshest winters. Picture this. A blizzard has just unleashed a 2-foot snowfall on the railway tracks. Don't fret, because here comes the rotary snowplow train to save the day. With its circular blades spinning at velocity, this mighty machine can effortlessly clear snowbanks as deep as 12 feet and catapult them an impressive distance of 200 feet away from the tracks. These snowplows have been a part of railroading since the late 1800s and have seen action all across the United States. From traversing snowy mountain peaks in the Rockies to braving icy flatlands in the Midwest, you might be curious about their price tag. Owning such a behemoth doesn't come cheap. Modern rotary snowplows can cost over $1 million, serving as a testament to their capabilities and innovative engineering. So time you witness those tracks being cleared after snowfall, remember to acknowledge and appreciate the rotary snowplow train. An extraordinary embodiment of American creativity that keeps our trains running smoothly regardless of what challenges Mother Nature throws our way. Upon its debut in 2019, the MSC Gulson, a wonder of contemporary marine engineering, became the biggest container ship in the world. This enormous ship, which was constructed in South Korea by Samsung Heavy Industries, is around 112 feet long and 202 feet wide. Its draft is more than 54 feet and its depth is around 109 feet. With a 23,756 20-foot equivalent unit capacity, it resembles a floating metropolis devoted to international commerce. MacGregor's cargo system for the ship is an impressive design that prioritizes adaptability and efficiency. Standard, high cube, and chilled containers are among the many kinds of containers it may hold. Because of its adaptability, the MSC Gulson can carry a variety of cargo throughout the world, from specialist cargo to regular consumer items. In conclusion, MSC Gulson is a symbol of not just maritime strength, but also of technical improvement and sustainable shipping growth. It demonstrates how industry pioneers like MSC are reshaping international commerce to meet the needs of the environment and the demands of the economy. Today we're diving into the world of construction equipment, where power and precision come together to create awe-inspiring engineering feats. Let's introduce you to one of the industry's titans, renowned for its ability to effortlessly handle tasks. This machine is a hero on construction sites, turning demanding projects into engineering masterpieces. From the developments in New York to critical infrastructure ventures in California, this machine has left its mark across the United States. Its adaptability and strength have been showcased in endeavors like expanding a highway that spans over 10 miles. What does it cost to possess remarkable capabilities? These machines can come with a price tag of over $500,000, reflecting their cutting-edge technology and indispensable role in construction practices. So, time you witness a skyline being transformed or a new road being born, take a moment to appreciate these giants. The silent heroes shaping our world. Known as the Fantastic Four, The TI-class supertankers are among of the biggest and most spectacular ships in the maritime industry. These very large crude carriers, which are part of the TI Africa, TI Asia, TI Europe, and TI Oceania, were constructed for the Hellespont Group in 2002 and 2003 by Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering in South Korea. Later, Overseas Shipholding Group and Eurinav NV purchased them. The length of each of these supertankers is an impressive 1,247 feet, and their width is around 223 feet. Their impressive gross tonnage is around 234,000 tons, while their impressive deadweight tonnage is close to 440,000 tons. These ships move goods more efficiently because of their high service speed of around 16.5 knots, which is pretty impressive for a vessel of their size. Their dual-hulled design, which greatly improves their safety, particularly in reducing oil leaks and environmental risks, is one of their distinguishing characteristics. They also painted the upper portion of its hull white to reflect sunlight and reduce hydrocarbon emissions. To reduce issues from gas leaks, they are outfitted with inert gas systems and ballast tanks. Today we're diving into the world of cutting-edge runway snow removal. We'll showcase a machine that's revolutionizing winter operations at airports across the United States. This powerhouse is no snow-clearing equipment. It's specifically designed to handle the winter conditions, impressively clearing snow at a remarkable pace and efficiently managing depths of up to 4 feet. Its primary goal is to ensure that airport runways and taxiways remain safe and fully operational. Let's transport you to an event in Denver where a severe snowstorm threatened delays and flight cancellations. However, thanks to this machine's performance, the airport was swiftly on track, showcasing its crucial role in maintaining travel schedules and prioritizing safety. Introducing technology at an airport does come with a substantial price tag. These top-of-the-line snow-clearing machines can cost over $1 million, reflecting their features and indispensable role in aviation. So, time you witness a snow-covered airport springing back into action seamlessly. Despite winter challenges, take a moment to appreciate these mechanical giants silently working behind the scenes. They ensure your journey continues smoothly, regardless of the weather conditions. An incredible technical achievement and a representation of cutting-edge nautical capabilities is the Blue Whale 1. With an operational depth of up to 12,000 feet and a drilling depth of up to 50,000 feet, it stands out as a 7th-generation ultra-deepwater drilling unit of the Frigstad D90 design. Because of this, it can drill in almost every body of water on the planet. Standing at a towering 387 feet, or about a 37-story structure, the Blue Whale 1 is a formidable presence in the offshore drilling industry. Building the Blue Whale 1 came at a cost of over $700 million, which is a substantial investment in the offshore drilling sector. It has been engaged in projects similar to the one in the South China Sea with CNOOC China, operated by CPOE and Blue Whale. The contract was scheduled to begin in the fourth quarter of 2022 and was anticipated to run for around 2.5 years. The Blue Whale 1 is an essential tool for exploring and using deep-sea resources, as well as a monument to the technical skill of humans. It's a shining illustration of how innovation and technology can expand the bounds of what the offshore sector can do. Embark on a captivating journey through the landscapes of America as we highlight the power of the wedge plow train, an essential asset in maintaining smooth railway operations during winter. This isn't your train. It boasts a wedge-shaped plow at its forefront, specially designed to slice through and remove snow from the tracks. With its ability to handle towering snowdrifts, this train ensures that rail lines remain clear and trains stay on schedule. Picture a blizzard hitting the Rocky Mountains, where heavy snow poses a threat to rail connections. In situations, the wedge plow train leaps into action, tirelessly clearing miles of track, underscoring its indispensable role in keeping America's vital rail network up and running. Equipping a train with such a plowing system can be quite expensive, $500,000. However, it is an essential investment for railroad companies to guarantee uninterrupted service and ensure safety during the winter season. So, time you catch sight of a train's rumble amidst winter's chill, let your thoughts drift towards the wedge plow train, the unwavering force working relentlessly to keep America's railways accessible under any weather conditions. And very competent offshore service boat. The Scandi Africa is well known for its effectiveness and adaptability in deep-water operations. It was constructed in 2015 and can operate down to a depth of around 13,123 feet. It is designed to withstand the rigors of subsea construction, equipment installation, inspection, repair and maintenance, as well as remotely operated vehicular services. The ship satisfies IC-1B and winterized basic conditions and is well prepared to withstand challenging weather conditions. Its dependability and functionality in demanding and chilly conditions are guaranteed by these requirements. As far as measurements go, Scandi Africa is around 528 feet long overall and 105 feet wide overall. It can hold up to 140 people and has a significant deadweight tonnage of around 12,655 tons, making it suitable for both crew and experts for offshore activities. In keeping with its contractual obligations, DOF Subsea extended the Scandi Africa's contract as of May 2022 until February 2024, taking into account the vessel's ongoing significance and demand in the offshore industry. With the goal of demonstrating the most recent advancements in marine engineering and technology for safe and effective deepwater operations. The Scandi Africa is a major investment in offshore capabilities. Get ready to witness the power and effectiveness of the high-capacity snowblower, an indispensable tool used to tackle heavy snowfall all across the United States. This is not your snowblower. It's a machine designed to endure even the harshest winter conditions. With its ability to handle amounts of snow, it can clear paths wide as 10 feet and as deep as 5 feet, making it an invaluable asset in maintaining accessible roads and communities. Let's delve into an incident in Minneapolis, where a record-breaking snowstorm brought the city to a halt. However, thanks to this snowblower in action, streets were swiftly cleared, playing a role in restoring normalcy and ensuring the safety of residents. Considering its efficiency and durability comes with a price tag of around $300,000. Nevertheless, this investment proves worthwhile in terms of reliability and performance during those demanding winter months. So, time you witness streets following heavy snowfall, take a moment to appreciate these unsung heroes, the mighty snowblowers that keep America moving through winter. Eight enormous container ships, each holding around 14,170 20-foot equivalent units, make up the Maersk E-Class class. Up until 2012, these vessels were the biggest cargo ships ever built. Every vessel in the series is 184 feet broad and more than 306 feet long. The Maersk was the first ship of its class, built by the Danish AP Møller Maersk Group. These were some of the oldest ships in service at the time and were well known for their size. The much bigger triple E-Class replaced the E-Class. Welcome to a presentation of Viking Scythe's snow and ice control equipment, which plays a role in ensuring the safety of America's roads during the winter season. These machines go beyond your typical snow removal tools. They are equipped with cutting-edge technology, designed to handle everything from snowfalls to severe winter storms. Whether it's plows or spreaders, each piece is meticulously crafted to clear and treat roads, guaranteeing the safety and mobility of millions of Americans. During a snowstorm that swept through the Midwest, Viking Scythe's equipment proved indispensable in keeping highways and city streets free from snow. Their exceptional performance during these hours highlighted their significance in both rural communities. The cost of these machines can vary, with some models starting at around $50,000. This price reflects their versatility and the high-level engineering put into each unit. So time you find yourself driving on a road during the harsh winter months, take a moment to appreciate the vital role played by Viking Scythe's equipment in making your journey safe and hassle-free. The extraordinary vessel noted for its size and capabilities is the Castorone, which is managed by Saipem, a part of the Italian energy corporation Eni. It is one of the biggest pipe-laying boats in the world, measuring around 951 feet overall and 128 feet in the mold width. Its naval Progetti completed design guarantees peak performance in ice-class circumstances. The ship, which was built at Keppel Shipyard, was first tasked with developing the Jack and St. Malo fields in the U.S. Gulf of Mexico. The Castorone is notable for its remarkable 14 knots transit speed and 180-ton bollard pull, which highlight its strength and agility. In addition, it has a large clear deck area of around 46,284 square feet, which may accommodate different operating requirements. With features including a mess area, offices, conference rooms, and recreational spaces, the ship can hold up to 702 people in total. It has a large cargo deck and a knuckle-boom crane that can lift substantial weights. The Castorone showcases the most recent developments in marine engineering and technology for effective and safe operations in difficult settings, marking a substantial investment and improvement in the area of offshore pipelaying and construction. Are you tired of dealing with piles of snow after every blizzard? Do you dread the discomfort and soreness that comes with shoveling? Well, my friends, bid farewell to breaking labor and say hello to the future of snow removal, the electric snow shovel. This incredible machine effortlessly cuts through the snowfall, swiftly clearing your driveway or walkway in a matter of minutes. No more straining your muscles, sweating under your winter coat. Simply plug it in, flip the switch, and watch as the snow magically vanishes. But wait, there's more. This fantastic device doesn't just clear away the snow, it also throws it. With its chute, you can send that stuff soaring, up to 20 feet away, leaving your sidewalks and driveways clean and safe. Forget about those cumbersome snowblowers. The electric snow shovel is compact and lightweight, making it incredibly easy to maneuver around obstacles and store away when not in use. And here's the icing on the cake. It's affordable too. For around $200, you can become the owner of this winter lifesaver. That's less than what a single professional snow removal service would cost. Don't let another winter go by suffering through snowstorms. Invest in a snow shovel today and revel in the freedom of having a driveway without breaking a sweat. you can explore our website. Visit a hardware store to discover more information about the electric snow shovel and find the one that best suits your requirements. The Brazilian mining giant Vale SA mostly uses bulk carriers of the MegaMach class, which includes some of the biggest vessels in the world to carry iron ore. These enormous warships, which had a dead weight capacity of between 380,000 and 400,000 tons, are distinguished by their length of between 1,181 and 188 feet and their width of 213 feet. They have a depth of 98 feet and a draft that varies from 72 to 75 feet. They can travel at a speed of 15 knots thanks to low-speed diesel engines. Deliveries of Vale Brazil, the first MegaMach, began in 2011. The fleet increased to 68 ships by 2020. Several shipbuilders, notably Jiangsu Rongsheng Heavy Industries in China, and Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering in South Korea, built these boats. Winter can be quite harsh in the United States. The heavy snowfall can completely bury towns, making us yearn for days. Fortunately, there's news for all the souls who face this challenge head-on. The Praxos 250 is here to help. This European powerhouse is built to withstand the intense snowstorms. With its approach and powerful hydraulic system, it effortlessly tackles drifts, ensuring that your driveway or business parking lot remains clear and safe. One of the standout features of the Praxos 250 is its throwing distance. It can launch snow up to 40 feet away, preventing you from creating piles while clearing out old ones. However, power isn't everything. What sets the Praxos 250 apart is how user-friendly it is. Its controls are intuitive. The operator platform offers an experience making snow removal a breeze, even for beginners. Whether you're a homeowner facing a blizzard or a professional tasked with clearing areas, rest assured that the Praxos 250 can handle any snow removal job effortlessly. This versatile machine allows you to spend time enjoying the beauty of winter than being overwhelmed by it. So don't let winter conquer you. Instead, invest in a Praxos 250. Regain your freedom during this season. At under $30,000, it's an investment for a season filled with tranquility and serenity. Stop by your Praxos dealership today. Prepare yourself to triumph over the challenges of winter. Delivered in 2016, the Pioneering Spirit is among the biggest construction boats in the world. The ship, known for its enormous size and capabilities, was built by the South Korean shipyard Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering Co. Ltd. for the Swiss offshore pipelaying contractor All Seas Group. The Pioneering Spirit is intended for single-lift installation and decommissioning of major offshore oil and gas platforms, as well as subsea pipeline projects. Its entire length is about 1,565 feet, and its width is 407 feet. It has a distinctive catamaran hull shape and uses cutting-edge motion compensation and dynamic positioning technologies. The vessel has a 25,000-ton jacket lift capability and can raise topsides up to 48,000 tons in weight. With 8-man 20-VI 3244 generator sets and a 9-liter 3244 engine, the Pioneering Spirit has a total installed power of 95,000 kWh. This provides dynamic positioning and propulsion, enabling the vessel to reach a maximum speed of 14 knots via the driving of 13 azimuth thrusters. Pioneering Spirit's building contract was worth around $454.5 million. Its arrival in Rotterdam in January 2015 signified the completion of its commissioning and assembly. In February 2015, the ship changed its name from Peter Schelte to Pioneering Spirit. In April 2017, the Pioneering Spirit removed the topsides of Shell UK's 24,000-ton Brent Delta platform from the North Sea. Setting records in the industry, it accomplished a significant milestone in 2022 by raising a total of 330,000 tons of platform weight. Winter is on its way. That can only mean one thing: snowfall. Lots of it. In the United States, we're quite familiar with blizzards and snowstorms, which often leave us with the task of clearing all that stuff. Fear not, my Americans. We have an ally in our battle against the winter doldrums, the snowblower. This reliable machine will turn your driveway, sidewalk from a nightmare into a safe and clear haven in just minutes. No breaking, shoveling, or sore muscles to worry about. With a snowblower by your side, bid farewell to labor. Say hello to winter freedom. These machines are designed for efficiency and strength, effortlessly conquering the layers of snow. Don't think they're limited to driveways either. Snowblowers can handle walkways, patios, and large parking lots with ease. What's more, they can propel that snow up to 20 feet away, so you won't end up creating piles as you clear away the ones. Despite their power, don't be intimidated by their operation. Most models come equipped with user controls and comfortable operator platforms, making snow removal a breeze for everyone, those new to the task. Whether you find yourself as a homeowner dealing with a blizzard or as part of a municipality, for clearing areas, there's definitely a snowblower out there that suits your requirements. These versatile machines are available in sizes and price ranges starting from $500 for a single-stage model and going all the way up to $2,000 for a robust two-stage snowblower. Investing in a snowblower is an investment that brings peace of mind during the winter season. It offers an opportunity to reclaim your time and enjoy the beauty of snow without the strain on your back. So don't wait until the first blizzard arrives. Get prepared for winter by acquiring a snowblower and conquer this season like a warrior. You can. Visit your hardware store or explore online retailers to discover the perfect snowblower that meets your specific needs. Always remember, beyond being a tool, a snowblower becomes your trusted companion throughout the winter months. Among the container ships in the CMA-CGM fleet of note is the CMA-CGM Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, named after the well-known French novelist and pilot. This ship, which was launched in 2017 and has been in service since 2018, is enormous, with dimensions of around 1,312 feet in length and 193 feet in breadth. It has a 20,154 TEU, 20-foot equivalent units, capacity. The boat has a single engine that can propel it to a maximum speed of 25 mph. Although the precise cost of the ship is not specified in the information that is currently accessible, it symbolizes a considerable investment in the shipping sector and a contemporary success in marine engineering. Winter in the United States can be a sight to behold. It can also be quite a hassle, especially when it comes to clearing snow. Say goodbye to breaking shoveling, because now you have the Winter Warrior, a single-stage gas snowblower. This incredible machine is both powerful and affordable, making it perfect for homeowners who deal with snowfall. It's compact and lightweight, allowing you to effortlessly maneuver it around your driveway or sidewalk. With a single-stage gas snowblower, getting rid of snow is a breeze. Just give the start cord a tug, engage the auger, and watch as the snow magically disappears. These machines are designed to be efficient and powerful, effortlessly tackling 12-inch drifts of snow. Don't think that your driveway is the place where these machines work their magic. Single-stage gas snowblowers can easily handle walkways, patios, and even small parking lots. You can even choose models equipped with chutes so that you have control over where the snow goes. The best part? Single-stage gas snowblowers are incredibly budget-friendly. You can find models for $300, making it an economical investment for any homeowner. Don't let winter overpower you. Take charge by investing in a single-stage gas snowblower and reclaiming your freedom during those months. 1201, often referred to as Timas 1201, is a heavy lift and pipe-lay vessel with several uses. Ulstein designed it, and Keppel Singh Marine built it first for global industries. With cutting-edge pipe-lay technologies that can manage up to 1.5 meters of concrete-coated pipes and function at water depths of up to 3,000 meters, this DP2 vessel can work in both deep and shallow water. It has a transit speed of up to 15 knots, a lifting capability of 1,200 tons, and room for 264 people. The vessel has a maximum draft of 6.3 meters and is 162.3 meters in length and 37.8 meters in beam. It is operated under the Indonesian flag and owned by PT Timas Samudera Indonesia as of 2020. Welcome to an exhilarating journey into the world of snow maintenance with the Prinoth Beast Snowcat, a force of nature on landscapes throughout America. The Prinoth Beast isn't your snow groomer. It's a powerhouse known for its size and unparalleled capabilities. With its robust engine boasting over 500 horsepower to that of a semi-truck, it can groom than 40% larger areas than regular snowcats. It's like having 6 standard snow groomers working together. Imagine this machine at Vail Mountain, Colorado, expertly reshaping ski runs effortlessly, pushing amounts of snow uphill and magically transforming the slopes overnight. Its ability to conquer challenging terrains and deliver efficiency is truly awe-inspiring in demanding snowy conditions. Acquiring this snow-moving behemoth comes with an investment carrying a price tag of approximately 500 Taiwan. However, for ski resorts, the cost is justified by its productivity, eco-consciousness through reduced fuel consumption, and operators' comfort provided by its design. So next time you glide down manicured slopes, remember the Prinoth Beast Snowcat silently toiling away during the night to create that skiing surface, a remarkable fusion of power, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology. The Saipem 7000 is a remarkable example of contemporary engineering and one of the biggest semi-submersible crane boats in the world. Initially known as MegaMach 7000, it was built between 1985 and 1987 at an estimated cost of $400 million by Italian shipbuilders Fincantieri. When Gusto Engineering finished designing the ship, it marked a major advancement in the capabilities of crane ships at the time. With dimensions of 61 feet long by 27 feet wide, the Saipem 7000 is a massive floating structure. It can travel at 9.5 knots because to its 8 12-cylinder diesel engines, each of which has 8,400 horsepower. The ship has a dynamic positioning system that guarantees accuracy in its operations and an excellent mooring system with 16 anchor lines. In conclusion, the Saipem 7000 is a major participant in the offshore construction sector, a floating behemoth and a monument to human creativity. Due to its capabilities, it is now an essential component of several important offshore projects and has made a substantial contribution to the growth of the offshore oil and gas infrastructure worldwide. Welcome to our tour of winter innovations on a day. Today we are thrilled to introduce the battery-powered snowblower, a game-changer in winter maintenance all across America. Gone are the days of struggling with fuel-consuming snowblowers. We now enter an era of snow clearing with battery-powered machines. These compact, yet powerful devices are designed for efficient snow removal. They weigh as 34 pounds and can clear widths up to 24 inches, making the chore of removing snow a breeze. Just picture a morning in a neighborhood covered in a beautiful blanket of snow. Homeowners effortlessly clear their driveways and sidewalks using these machines that can move hundreds of pounds of snow per minute and throw it up to 50 feet away. These advanced snow warriors come at price points starting from $600 and going up to over $1,000 based on their features such as dual battery systems, brushless motors, and LED lights. With no fuel costs and minimal maintenance required, they offer a solution for conquering winter's challenges. So time you come across cleared paths without any trace of snow, remember the silent heroes. Battery-powered snowblowers, who work tirelessly behind the scenes to keep our communities safe and walkable even on the iciest days. Started operating in 1998. All Seas owned and operated Solitaire, one of the biggest pipe-laying boats in the world, has been establishing new benchmarks for the pipe-lay industry. Originally constructed by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries in Japan in 1972 under the name Trentwood, the ship was subsequently purchased and repurposed by All Seas in 1992 for use as a pipe-laying vessel. With this alteration, the vessel's capacity was changed from transporting cargo to specialist pipe-laying, signifying a substantial development. With an overall length of 1 to 302 feet and a width of 135 feet, the Solitaire is a spectacular working vessel. It has a dynamic positioning system that enables accurate handling in a range of water conditions. This system is crucial to guaranteeing the efficiency and safety of the ship, particularly in crowded regions. With a yearly pipe-laying capability of around 22,000 tons, the vessel can lay pipes up to 621 kilometers in total. This corresponds to a pipe-laying pace exceeding 5.6 miles per day. The Solitaire continues to be competitive for pipe-lay projects worldwide because to its fast cruise speed, large carrying capacity, and cutting-edge technological capabilities, greatly aiding in the development and maintenance of undersea pipeline infrastructure. Join us today as we explore the world of multi-salt spreaders, those essential tools that help manage icy conditions and ensure safety all across America. These versatile machines have a multitude of uses beyond winter. They come in year-round for various applications, such as spreading fertilizer or even confetti during big events. However, it is in the winter season that their true power shines, efficiently distributing icing materials like rock salt, calcium chloride, or magnesium chloride over vast areas. Let's take a moment to imagine a city like Chicago where icy sidewalks and roads can pose risks. In places, multi-salt spreaders play a role in ensuring public safety and keeping everything running smoothly despite the harsh winter conditions. Whether it's a walk-behind model ideal for use or a large truck-mounted unit designed for commercial purposes, there's an appropriate spreader available to suit every need. The prices vary depending on the type and capacity, ranging from $800 to $6,000, making them accessible to both homeowners and professionals, so time you find yourself walking on a deesed path. Take a moment to appreciate the hard-working individuals behind these multi-salt spreaders who tirelessly strive to keep our communities safe and functional, no matter what Mother Nature throws at us. The biggest ship ever constructed, the Seawise Giant, also known as Knock Nevis, has a unique position in nautical history. Built by Sumitomo Heavy Industries in Japan between 1974 and 1979, this colossal crude carrier broke records for both size and carrying capacity. It was a technical wonder, with its amazing dimensions of 1,503 feet long by 225.7 feet wide. The Seawise Giant could move 657,001 to 19 tons and had a draft of 80.74 feet when completely laden. Its size allowed it to hold as much as 4.1 million barrels of crude oil. Nevertheless, it was difficult to operate due to its enormous size. It took the ship 2 miles to turn around and more than 5 miles to halt. Due to its enormous draft, it was also unable to pass via the Suez Canal, the Panama Canal, or the English Channel, which sometimes required taking a longer route around the southernmost point of Africa. The ship was sold for scrap in 2010 after it was determined that it would be too costly and impossible to operate. Due to environmental concerns, the deconstruction operation, which was finished in Along, India, was contentious. The 36-ton anchor from the Seawise Giant was saved and given to the Hong Kong Maritime Museum as a permanent reminder of the enormous ship's significance in maritime history. Welcome to the video for today, in which we examine Prelude FLNG, a feat of engineering. Situated 120 miles offshore from Australia, this floating platform for liquefied natural gas is a trailblazer in the energy sector. Prelude, at an astounding 1,600 feet in length and 243 feet in breadth, is the biggest offshore complex globally. Prelude draws from the 3 trillion cubic feet of natural gas reserves found in the Prelude and Concerto fields. With an annual output capacity of 5.3 million tons of liquid and condensate, it is a spectacular machine. This comprises 400,000 tons of liquefied petroleum gas, 1.3 million tons of condensate, and 3.6 million tons of LNG. To do this, natural gas is cooled to a freezing 260 degree F. At a cost of around $5 billion, this massive project was built. Prelude is anchored for an anticipated 25 years and is designed to resist Category 5 storms, indicating a long-term commitment to sustainable energy production. Even with difficulties like gas leaks and electrical problems that cause brief shutdowns, Prelude FLNG is an example of how human ingenuity can be used to effectively and sustainably harvest natural resources. I appreciate you seeing. Please press the like button and subscribe to our channel if you thought this video was instructive. Watch this space for more fascinating stuff.